Hey guys, so right now I'm showing you a tour of my room right here at the Cancun Resort in Las Vegas. Let's see. As you can see, my room is bigger than most of the rooms on this floor or even in this building. I'm on the 4th floor. See, there's the little people. What can I see? What can I see out there? All you see is the hallway. See, 2 privacy locks, and if you look, this door is bigger than you think. And now this suite is formally called the Penthouse Villa, because look at the size of this place. I mean, if you look right here, you have your big double doors, and you have huge wall clock. And you have a kitchen right here with everything you need to cook. Ooh, some candy. Got plenty of candy. Some nuts. Sink. A dishwasher. Cups. Pots and stuff. Cooking supplies. Is silverware. All kinds of, a lot more cooking spatulas. See, pots and pans are up here. And see, is this a microwave or a convection oven? I don't exactly know. Let's see, blender. Old school coffee maker. Toaster, dishwasher, refrigerator. Let's see, and when you exit the kitchen right here, you enter a little hallway with a mirror down on that end. Very nice painting. Alright, there's bad lighting in this hallway. Then when you come in here, this is the master bedroom, where my parents are staying. Let's see. They have a huge TV right here, along with the AC blowing right on them. It's Vegas. It's 100 degrees outside. That's when they need the AC. There's their suitcase and all that. Side tables. That's my dad's side. That's my mom's side. Let's see, nice wall deco. What's in here? Ironing board, basic stuff for a hotel room. Let's see, now if you walk in here, this is the master bathroom. It is very weird, I can tell you. Look right here, the shower is in the jacuzzi tub. So, you don't have tile or pebbles underneath to support your feet. You need to put that mat down and shower like that. But you don't really need to close the curtain because the water's not going to go anywhere. It's just going to go in the big tub right there. And it's very hard to get in here because you got to step up here, step down there, and step down there. And when getting out's a little tough, dude, because you have these rough edges and you can easily hurt yourself on. And let's see, there are sinks, mirrors, and an individual room for the toilet. With some more Mayan paintings. Let's see, and there's a nice sliding door meant to match these doors. Let's see. If you look out here, there's the patio. I'll show you that later. Doing the inside before the outside. See, now let's leave my parents' room. And in this area, I didn't show too much of it. There's your little dining room with nice chandelier and a nice table and 2 more chairs. You need to seat 2 more people. And if you move in here, here's the living room. Very nice wooden beams on the ceiling. Now if you look over here, you have a bunch of Mayan pots in here. And you have a TV, a Blu-ray player, and in here, I have a feeling that there used to be a big TV in here back before they switched to flat screens. But now they switched to flat screens. The TV's up there now. They switched to and right there is a little island and a sink back there. And this couch can transform into a bed. It's gonna be my new home once my grandparents come. And it took me a while to notice that vent is gonna fall. That's one of the AC vents. Let's see, that's a very nice wall deco. Let's see, thermostat set to about 55 or something. Now it's time to show you the balcony. Here comes the hot breeze. Now here is the balcony. Let's see, there's the huge view. They're building something new over there. I don't know what. That's another hotel right there. And see, there's a huge Mayan pyramid. And on there is water slides that go into that pool right there. The place has two pools. One pool right there, a small pool, and a splash pool, and then a big pool over there. And underneath, on this side of the pyramid, there's a jacuzzi. Those stairs just lead to the water slide, and they have a kids club down there, which my sister's gonna do some of the activities today. I either will or won't. And now we have a jacuzzi right on the balcony, which we're probably never gonna use, but it's empty right now. But we could fill it up and use it. Now, moving over here, that's the door to my parents' room. See, got a drain down there, in case this place floods, which I don't know if it will, or if it ever has. Now, that's another view of the other building. There are about 4 or 5 buildings in this place, and some of them are, like this building, building 3 is 8 stories high. I bet some of the more luxurious rooms are the higher up you go. Yeah. Now,
I'm not sure every floor has one exactly.
Let's head back in.
I mean, they're laid out that way, but I was looking at from down.
Alright. Now here is the room I formerly stayed in. Let's see, it's got TV right there, dresser right there, bed. Let's see, this first nightstand with the TV remote and the entire TV guide for the resort. And now we also have a bathroom. Let's see, 2 sinks. See, toilet isn't in an individual room. Then we have a jacuzzi tub in here and a nice little walk-in shower. It's actually a pretty huge shower. It's not as weird as having the shower in there, but it's huge. Anyways, that is more paintings. Anyways, another painting. See, mirror. That's a huge mirror. Anyways, that is it for my tour of the Penthouse Villa at the Cancun Resort in Las Vegas. See you all next time.